This is Andy with QualityStocks. Today is Friday, May 25th, 2010. We're going to take a look at BioClean. It's a NASDAQ bulletin board stock trading on the ticker BOCL. Take a quick look at the chart. See what we're looking at here is kind of a symmetrical triangle. Wonder if this found a bottom. MACD trending right on the money line. That's a nice positive divergence right there. A lot of times stocks explode from that position. See the PPO. Nice trend towards zero recently. ADX in a good position. Seems like it's a little bit higher than it is, but realize that these numbers, sometimes you got to pay attention to where they actually are positioned. This is just breaking over 30 right now. MFI is up a little bit high for a move, but some people look at this as entering more into a power zone, so it's still okay. Accumulation distribution on a recent trend up, very short over the last week or so. Taking money flow following right along with that. CCI's in a fine position, full still, near the bottom and trying to turn, plenty of room to move. Tricks in a great uptrend towards zero recently. RSI is again in a good position for a possible move, trying to break through 50, trying to get bullish. We're looking for here this is basically a symmetrical triangle. This is trying to break out of. So we're going to look for that to move. We'd like to see volume pick back up. See it picked up a little bit from the day before. These moving averages are in a great position. See all just bunched together right around 0.12, all in that same area. I'd love to see them moving averages together. In a perfect world, we'd see these Bollinger Bands a little bit tighter, but they gapped when on this nice move back at the very beginning of May. Spread them out. They'll eventually pull back together depending, but see the fact that these moving averages are all together, and this PPS is actually trending towards the upper part of the Bollinger Band, which is what you like to see. So that's everything right there is in a very nice position. We want to see if this breaks out now. Of course, bottom support down there at 0.08. Want to see that hold if it does break down. Some resistance that's going to run into. It's going to see some right there at 0.15 at 1.5 cents. Going to want to see that one fall at 0.165. It's going to be more through there. You can see it was that area was a support level before it broke through. It's been a high point here recently over the month of May, where it's hit it several times and got pushed back down. So if this breaks out, we want to see it break through there, and then obviously try and take out 2.5 cents in the longer term here, or with the bigger move. We want to see that fall. Obviously another another area of resistance, not only from this point, but from back in March. We want to see that go. We want to see this break through this triangle, and we want to see it take out the 0.165 area and push. Obviously that's very significant gains from you're talking a double basically to even get up here and test this resistance. So this is what we're looking for. Again, indicators all in a very nice position for it to possibly happen. See this bottom support. We want to see that hold. We want to see it hold this bottom, this trend line first. We want to see that stay intact. If it does dip lower, and you want to see it hold bottom, possible entry point as basically a triple bottom through that area. So you want to see that hold. But let's look and see if BOCL can get a little bit of volume and start testing this first resistance and trend line right there. Moving averages again, great position to make that happen. This is Andy with QualityStocks taking a look at BOCL.